Hello guys, in this video we are going to start a new series in which we are going to explore the new papers that will help the society or you guys to take more knowledge. So in this series we have our first paper here which will be like generating the image from a given text. So this is what we want. So till now we have like if we have some image we will input into the model and then we will have our caption like what it's for, what is its significance. Like suppose this is the image and we got a text called dog is running across the beach, or if we have this image as input we will get this text as output. So in now it's like the opposite, we will have the text and we will generate the image from that. So that's cool, and I know you will realize that soon. So let's. So, as per one of the article written on DAL-E, it stated that it's a 12 billion parameter version of GPT-3, and which is like to generate image from text description uses a data set of text and image pair. So it will use a pair of text and images, not only the image, and annotate it. So they have found that it has a diverse set of capability, including creating anthropomized version of animal and object, or combining unrelated concepts. Like if you want to see, like suppose if you want to make a armchair of the shape of an avocado, so it's a unrelated concept, so it will apply that and make you a that. So it's all about Delhi, how it's used and how it make. So as I know many of you guys will be interested in like looking at the codes and the actual paper, how it got generated and how it got discovered. So for those guys I will be putting some of the links in the description below for this is actual paper of that. So it's in Cornell University, and here is the actual code. It's in GitHub, so all of you guys can access it, and I will putting those links in the description. So let's take our discussion ahead. So those who already saw the code and the paper, from now onwards it will be easy for them to understand. So what this like DALL-E is used. So like GPT-3 is a transformed language model. If you can see it received, as we already discussed, it received text and image as a single stream and up to a token of like 1280. So and it's trained on like maximum likelihood to generate all the tokens one after another. So like it's the DALL-E will not like, it's not like other neural network which will generate the image from the scratch. What it will do is it will use others images and combine them in order to make a maximum combinations, like maximum correlation with the text given. So this is how it will work. So now we will see some of the example of this DALL-E, how it's very useful. So suppose as we already uh, discussed, like it will generate the images from the combination of the training images and combine them so that it will mostly correlate. So let's suppose you want to generate a image from the text saying like a small red block sitting on a large green block. So if we will expand this, so it will be something like this. If you see like green, so large green block is there and it's sitting on the top of the red block. And similarly if we read this, these are the AI generated image. If we read this, like if we find that DALL-E correctly responds to some of the types of relative positions but not others, sitting on, standing in front, these are the some of the effects. Like if you can also see like here also like red is in the front of, there is on top. So this is some of the drawbacks here, but yeah, it will be very comfortable or like very useful in the outside world. So thank you guys. If you really watch this video and love this video, please subscribe, like and share this video to the most, and shout out to Delhi teams.